Tired of forgetting to send money on time? Set up a future transfer on Wise in under a minute and never miss a payment again. Whether it's rent, a subscription, or sending money to family, we've all been there. You mean to do it, you get busy, and suddenly it's 3 days late. Let's fix that. I'll walk you through the exact steps, from finding the scheduled transfer section to confirming your recurring payment. It's simpler than you might think. All right, let's start. Head over to your Wise account homepage. Now, what you want to do is look for the navigation menu. It's usually on the left-hand side. You're looking for the option that says Scheduled. Just click on that. This is where Wise keeps all of your future and recurring transfers organized in one place. Think of it as your command center for planned payments. So once you're in the Scheduled Transfers area, you'll see a pretty clear button that says Schedule a Transfer. Go ahead and click that. This is the trigger that starts the whole process. It's going to open up a new screen specifically designed for setting up these automatic payments. Now we get to choose who you're sending money to. This is a really important step. You'll see a list of your past recipients or an option to add a new one. Before you do anything else, make sure the recipient you want is in your contacts. If they are, just select them. If not, you'll need to add their details here. I always double-check the account information at this stage. It saves headaches later. Wise is pretty straightforward here, but it pays to be careful. All right, next up is timing. You'll see a field labeled Select a Date. Click on that. A calendar will pop up. This is where you pick the very first transfer date. Maybe it's next Friday or the first of next month. Choose the date you want the initial payment to go out. Now, pay attention to this one. After you select a date, you'll see an option that says Set Schedule. This is where the magic happens. Click on that. You'll get a few choices. You can set it to repeat weekly, monthly, every 2 weeks, you name it. I personally use monthly for my rent, and it's been a lifesaver. Choose the frequency that matches your needs. And here's the thing. Once you set this, you don't have to think about it again. It just runs. Now you need to type in the amount. This is the amount that will be sent each time on that schedule. Make sure it's correct. If you're paying a fixed bill, this is easy. If it's a variable amount, you might want to double check. You can always come back and adjust this later, but it's best to get it right the first time. Once the amount is in, you'll see a Continue button at the bottom. Click that. This is your final review screen. You'll see a summary of everything we just set up: the recipient, the date, the schedule, and the amount. Take a second to look it over. If everything looks good, go ahead and confirm. And that's it. You're done. The transfer is scheduled. Wise will handle the rest automatically. No more late fees, no more last-minute panic. You set it once, and it just works. If you ever need to change or cancel a scheduled transfer, you can always come back to the Scheduled section and manage it there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.